So from one amazing vehicle to another.
Fancy display up and show what the axles are doing.
What's the good thing about Land Rover is you don't need to switch it to four-wheel drive.
And they can do this.
Yeah, you try and do this with an X5.
It would be stuck at the bottom and the wheels would just be churning up dust and mud.
This thing,
The trouble with the X5, it's got a 60-40 torque split.
oh, well, that's not good.
So that's why it won't go off-road. Because if you try and do anything clever, it will just spin the back wheels. But it does make for a better road drive.
Okay. You can go anywhere in the Land Rover.
Yep.
But this is absolutely bog standard as well.
Exactly, yeah.
Well, it's got some mild off-road tyres on it,
Yeah.
compromised tyres, but
apart
otherwise it's exactly as it came out of the factory.
So you don't need to do anything really.
No.
You don't need to do anything with the Land Rover to make it go off-road. It's all done for you in the factory. Oh, could you imagine taking one of the older Range Rovers around?
We typically have somebody who normally brings an old classic Range Rover for operating,
Yeah.
but unfortunately he rolled it on the M4 2 weeks ago.
Oh, that's not exactly what you meant to.
Trying to avoid joining into in an accident that was happening in front of him. The caravan decided to take control.
That's the problem with the older
Yeah,
Range
yeah.
Rovers, is they don't have much stability, do they?
Have you taken one of the older ones around?
I've got a 1971 Range Rover as well.
Oh, have you taken that round here?
Not this event, but I have taken it to other events.
What's it feel like compared to
It's
this?
quite wallowy. Yeah, you'd be rocking it
Kind of
around.
like a boat.
Yeah.
Whilst this is a bit more. This is a bit more sturdy.
Yeah.
At least it's not raining.
No.
Well, if it was wet, I wouldn't have been playing. Well, if there was still a mud run, they filled the mud run in. But, I would if it was wet. I don't want to take this through lots of mud. This is my daily drive. So,
Alright, so you want to keep it pretty
Yeah,
clean.
yeah.
If it's dusty.
But it doesn't. Yeah, dusty doesn't matter. But if it was thick, deep mud, I just wouldn't be prepared to play on the road.
You take the Defender out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got a 1958 Series 1 Land Rover.
Oh no, this would stump an X5.
I think the X5 would just look at that and just like.
Look at that and go, no
Look at
thanks.
what the
Yeah.
the graphics are doing.
It'd be like the X5 would look at that and go, no thanks. I'd rather not. Was it Ford every stream?
Climb every mountain. That's the one.
Yeah.
Quite forward every stream, you know, as the
Oh, but you can. I mean, I went in one in Australia. I went in a Land Rover in Australia.
hill descent control work.
That's so you don't have to put your foot on the brake.
Well, you shouldn't use your brakes really when you're descending, but it holds you below 5 miles an hour.
Which is clever. This isn't even breaking into a sweat in, it's just saying,
It's like I could do it all day. So what's the steepest incline one of these can go up?
Probably 45 degrees. Well, no, not 45, probably 30 or 40 degrees.
There we go, we've got a hill descent control. I can fold my arm. Oh. This is a proper piece of British engineering. God.
This is a very adaptable vehicle. Bearing in mind I'm 6 foot and I can sit in the back row of seats. There's 3 rows of seats and I can sit quite happily in the